Hey y'all, so before I get this video started, let me give a quick shout out. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want to be featured in my next video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and come show me some love when I drop a new video. Good morning, guys. It is Monday, October 14th. It is 8:45 in the morning. I've not had any setups just yet. Well, actually I did on the 4-point strategy, but it's set up at 8:30. I don't like to take my setups until the setups happen at 8:35 or after. Because usually those first 5-10 minutes of the market, it could just be like all over the place trying to stabilize itself with the market open. And I'm glad I didn't take it because it would have lost. So this week marks a new milestone because I am now moving up to 2 contracts on my 2-point strategy. I actually should have done so last week, but you guys know I didn't go live with this strategy until I think it was October. When did I take my first live one? It was October 1st, and that was the week that was my worst week ever because everything lost. Well, not everything, but yeah. So I had a losing week that week. That's the week that was supposed to be the break-even week. And so because of that, you know, I was questioning my settings and stuff like that as far as that 2-point strategy. So I really just wanted to continue on with 1 contract because technically I should have upped it to 2 by the time I hit $800 in my account, which I was already at. So I'm feeling confident enough to go up to 2 contracts now on that 2-point strategy. And yeah, I'm still on 1 contract with the 4-point strategy. However, because you guys know that with that one, I have a 3-point stop loss versus the 2-point stop loss on a 2-point strategy. So things are looking up. Things are looking good. And I'll check in with you guys once we get a setup. It is 8:58 and my 2-point strategy has now triggered. The white line is my pending order, with the red being the stop loss and the blue being the break-even point. So I will let y'all know if we end up getting triggered. So quick update. As y'all can see, my pending order did not get filled. I needed it to come down another tick, which is literally 1/4 of a point, and it did not, and it's gone up. So if this bar closes green, I will be deleting the order. If it closes red and comes back down and hits my pending, then we will be in the trade. So not sure which one is going to happen first, but we'll see. So it is 9:20 and we have now been filled for the buy. You see those lines crossing down. The other indicators do not show that it's set up for a sell. So I'm pretty confident in the trade, but you know, the market's the market. The market is always right. So I'll let y'all know win, lose, or draw. Well, not draw, ain't no draw. I'll keep you updated. So we're having a hard time establishing support at this level. Not sure if it's just drawdown or if it's gonna end up, you know, stopping me out, but there's the update there. It's trying to push back up. And just a couple seconds later, I was stopped out. So I am done trading this particular strategy. If my 4-point strategy sets up, I will be trading that. Otherwise, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it's 12:14 and nothing else has popped off at all. I'm actually about to leave and go to my aunt's house to visit her and the grandbabies. I just wanted to show y'all the market ever since like I got stopped out or whatever. This is one of those days where it's really just a day of consolidation, to be honest with you. And this is why I say I can't do something with like a 20-point stop loss. I would never do that anyway. That's risking way too much money. But it's because the market doesn't even move that much all the time. The market has been ranging in the same, like, not even 10 points, I don't think. Maybe about 10 points, 10, 12 points. It's been ranging in that same levels, like, since the market opened. So here's what I mean. So the vertical line was my trigger bar. I didn't get filled right there the first time, like the bar after that vertical line, and then we went up, hit the break even, it came down, hit my entry, I got stopped out at the stop loss, then it came up, hit my break even, almost hit my entry, hit my break even, came back down to my entry again. And it goes to show you all, I tell y'all all the time, my entry, my stop loss, and my break even are typically pretty good support and resistance levels. That's why when I am in profit and it starts going towards that break even, I typically have some kind of resistance there because it's a support or resistance level. So I'm going to close the charts down because my 4-point strategy is not going to end up popping off at all. I already know that. I could tell by the way the market's looking. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday, October 17th. It's 9:32 in the morning. Have not taken a trade at all today, but I did take one yesterday. I can't remember why I didn't record. I think I was just extremely sleepy, to be honest with you, but at least I didn't sleep through the session. I did trade. So that trade did take a loss. It was a loss on my 2-point strategy. So thus far this week, I am 0-2. Yeah, 0-2 this week. The thing is, the trade that I took yesterday, I forgot I was supposed to take it with 2 contracts. So I only took it with 1. So it was only a loss of $10. But let me show y'all what ended up happening. And then if anything pops off today, I will, of course, show you that. All right, so here was the trade here. I was trying to get in for a buy here, but of course it ended up stopping me out, and I was stopped out by about almost 2 points, and then it just freaking blasted off to exactly where I thought it was gonna go. So it was kind of a sucky loss, but you know, losses happen. That's what it looked like on the 5-minute chart there. So yeah, I'm down a total of just only like $30 plus commissions this week. Not bad, honestly. So it's the end of the trading session update. We did end up taking a trade. Sorry I didn't record it live. I forgot what I was doing. I can't remember. But as y'all can see, I got in for a sell. Don't pay attention to these lines. My 4-point strategy was actually setting up. It came a tick away from triggering. Yeah, fun, right? Anyway, so my sell was here and the break even was, I believe, like right here. So this was the first reversal bar after, and I got out there. It was a total of just 3.25 points. Or was it 3.75? Yeah, 3.25, which is the least number of points I'll ever get on either of my strategies. But I'm happy that I was able to recover some of the points lost earlier this week. I will see you all tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is Friday, October 18th, and it is 9:08 in the morning. I did get triggered for my 2-point strategy. I currently have the pending orders in right now. It has not retraced to hit my entry, and my 4-point strategy looks like it is setting up as well. So let me show y'all what the charts look like, and then I'll let y'all know if my pending orders get hit or not. This is what the charts are looking like. The vertical line is the bar that triggered for the sell. White line is the entry. Red is the stop loss. And here is what the 5-minute chart looks like. So hopefully we get a little bit of a retracement. But like I said, the 4-point chart looks like it's setting up as well. So even if we can't get into the 2-point, hopefully we can get into the 4-point. But I'll keep you updated. It is 9:07. Here's the quick update. My pending was never hit up here, and we have now had the bar open and close below the break-even line, so I went ahead and already deleted the pending. My 4-point strategy, that bar did end up closing, like that. This cross did end up happening, but the indicators didn't set up for that sale, and it would have never hit my pending anyway. Hey y'all, so it is Tuesday, October 22nd, and it's like 4:30 in the afternoon. I'm actually finishing the editing for the trading vlog for last week, and I realized I never came and closed the freaking vlog out and gave you guys the stats and all of that. So I'm about to open that up really quick. so that you guys can see what the final stats are for last week. All right, so I finally figured out how to put the commissions and stuff in there, thank goodness, but I think I put it in late this week. So my total net profit was actually negative $18.63. I was down 1.9% for last week, which is not bad at all, especially considering I increased my account by 15% the previous week. So going down 1.9%, it really isn't bad. And I think this week so far, I'm up like 4% or something. So here are the stats here. And y'all can see the dates there. So this is last week. Took 4 trades. I won 1 and lost 3. All 4. Actually, that's not true. I took 3 trades and I won 1 and lost 2. The reason why it says 4 trades is because sometimes when you have multiple contracts in there, it might not trigger both of the contracts at the same time. Like you might get filled on one and then filled at that same price, like maybe a millisecond later or something like that. So it always shows up that way. So yeah, I was 1 and 2. So yeah, those are the stats from last week, and I will see y'all next week for sure because I've already traded this week so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to leave them down below. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be Friday, and it'll probably be my haul video. All those clothes I got over there, it's time to show y'all what I got. Bye.